Many people struggling with nail fungus are now seeing ads for Fuente stem cell gel, a product that claims to eliminate fungus at the source and restore healthy nails in just a few weeks. But with so many treatments online making big promises, an important question remains. Is Fuente stem cell gel actually legit or just another heavily marketed product? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. The website promoting Fuente stem cell gel claims it is a powerful nail fungus treatment designed to eliminate infection and restore damaged nails in just a few weeks. According to the page, most over-the-counter creams only treat the surface of the nail, while the real infection lives deep inside the nail bed. The product claims its formula penetrates deeper to attack fungus at the source. The marketing also highlights ingredients like emu oil, which is said to help carry the formula deeper through the nail. Another ingredient mentioned is colloidal silver, which the website claims can kill up to 99% of fungus on contact. The product also promotes something called stem cell technology, suggesting it can activate nail regeneration so healthy nails grow back instead of thick, yellow, or damaged ones. The website further claims that many users see visible improvement within 3 weeks and promotes the gel as an alternative to prescription medications that may have stronger side effects. However, when looking closely at the marketing and available information, there are several red flags worth considering. One major concern is the stem cell claim without clear proof. The website heavily promotes stem cell technology, but it does not clearly explain how stem cells are actually used in the formula or provide scientific evidence confirming their presence. Another issue is the lack of verified clinical studies. The website does not link to independent clinical trials or medical research proving the gel can effectively treat or cure nail fungus. The product also uses very strong marketing claims. Promises of rapid results or major improvements within just a few weeks may sound appealing, but fungal nail infections typically take much longer to treat in many cases. There is also heavy use of dramatic before and after images on the product page. While these photos look convincing, it's not always clear whether they represent real patient results or simply marketing visuals. Limited brand transparency is another concern. The website provides very little information about the company, manufacturer, or medical experts behind the product. Some ingredients marketed as advanced breakthroughs are actually common in many antifungal products. Ingredients like tea tree oil, vitamin E, or silver are widely used and may not be unique innovations. The page also relies heavily on emotional testimonials instead of medical evidence. Customer stories are highlighted, but scientific proof or expert backing is limited. Urgency marketing tactics are also present. Large discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock messages are commonly used to push visitors into making quick purchases. Another red flag is the lack of independent reviews. While the website shows very positive feedback, there may be few genuine reviews on trusted third-party platforms. Some reported user experiences online raise additional concerns. One complaint claims the bottle received looked different from the one shown on the website, and the return page led to a page not found error. Another user claimed the company advertises thousands of positive reviews, but it does not provide a clear place on the website where customers can leave or read verified product reviews. It's also important to note that products like this are usually not FDA approved as medical treatments for fungal infections and may be sold as cosmetic or wellness products instead. Finally, the overall design of the website resembles many single-product online stores commonly associated with drop-shipping style businesses that heavily promote one product with strong marketing claims. Because of these concerns, it's always important to research carefully and consult a medical professional before relying on products like this for treating nail fungus.